So if you are confused about how to customize your navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder, in this video I'll guide you step by step how to manage your site's navigation for a better experience. So here we have the site navigation right over here. And now how we can manage this, right? We can click on this page. Now like, first of all, let's say you would like to just remove a page from the navigation here. So we're gonna have to click on pages and navigations, and then from here, if you want to remove a page, let's say a drop down, you want to remove a drop down. Now drop down, you can add from here, add a new drop down, but I'm just gonna click on delete, right? And I'll click on delete for this page as well. And now what we're gonna have to do is, let's say I would like to add another page. So what can I do here is just to click on add page, and I can add a blank page. I can also add a blog, about, contacts, services, project, privacy policy, refund policy, terms and conditions as well. And we can also use AI to generate a page. So you can just describe exactly what page you will like, and you can also see some examples here, and then you can just click on create a page. Pretty cool, right? And now other things that you can do, maybe now you want for your navigation on the header, maybe you like to duplicate a page to copy to edit the SEO. So I'm about to show you right now. So we can go back here to page navigation, and then for each, let's say for tutorials, I like to make tutorials to rename tutorials. So I can click on rename here. To grab the page URL, I can click on here. And now here we have the URL. We can also add the page URL and the name in navigation. You can also add a social media. So when you just share this page with someone else, it's going to have an image, which is important on social media. You can see the description here. You can also enable password only, so you can limit the access of this page by adding a password. And now other things that you can do. Now you want to edit SEO, you can click on here, and you can add SEO for this one, for homepage. You can select here metadata SEO. Very nice. Right now, now let's say I would like to hide from menu. You can click on here if you want to hide this page from the menu. And if you want to create a QR code, you can finish the steps to, excuse me, you need to finish the steps before you create a QR code, but you can do it from here. Now, what if you want to edit a little bit this header? Now, just click on the header and then select edit header. And now from here, you can edit the layouts. You can top the bottom spacing, right? You can edit that as well. What I like to do also to grab, you can just, let's say I have this header here, and you can grab for a section this part. But for the header, you can do it from here, top and bottom, and then the link spacing also you can edit, the element spacing you can also edit from here. And if you want to edit the social media, there the logo, you can click on logo. To add a logo, you can do it from here. And the style for the header, I like to edit the style of the social icons. I can click on here. I can add a different link for the Facebook, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for YouTube. For icon size, I can increase the size of the icons as well, right from here. And also maybe here in elements, I like to turn off this button and also the social icons as well. So I can do it from here, and then maybe you can move this to be in the middle. And then maybe if you want, you can go here and I don't know, make the header sticky. You can do it so, and maybe if you are or you don't know what it means, so to make the header sticky, and what it means basically is this: if you enable make header sticky on this website builder, is it's gonna like stay fixed on the top of the page while the viewer, the user, will scroll down. And this ensures that important elements like the logo, maybe call to action if you have, will actually remain visible. And if I can enable this and I click on preview, if you scroll down, as you can see, the header will stay fixed, but I just don't have a lot of sections here. So I can click on here and duplicate this section, and I can click on preview. And if I scroll down, as you can see, this header stays fixed.